throw this in the toaster. Boom. All right, here we go. Look at that, huh? Toasted to perfection. Now, this isn't a fancy channel where we're going to be doing all of this ostentatious setups. So we're going to start out with some balsamic vinegar. The whole secret to this recipe that I created is by putting the sweet and bitter lemon juice now. Huh? Aren't you loving it? And now we're going to use garlic and rosemary. This creates and mimics garlic, salt, and butter or oil. You don't believe me? Give it a try. There you go, quick and easy. No salt, no added salt, no added oils, no added butters. Garlic bread. Give it a shot. You're going to love it. Have a great day.